This 29th problem, third bit, is a little clumsy problem, a lengthy one but very simple one. I will make it very simple for you. You see, this triangle, the internal bisectors are QA and RA, and these are external bisectors QB and RB. The internal bisectors of Q and R meet at A and the external meet at B. Prove that AQBR is a concyclic quadrilateral. Watch out, for AQBR, I have simply named the angles. These being bisectors, I have simply given random names which are equal, indicating that they are equal. These Y and Y is X, Z and Z, X and X, W, W. Now you see, picking up this quadrilateral, the angle sum property of the quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Therefore, if I add W plus X plus Z plus Y, it is nothing but 360 degrees. These two and these two plus this A and B sum up to 360 degrees. And now picking this triangle with this external angle 2Z is equal to angle P plus internal opposite angles 2W, and that is what I have written here. Now angle P plus PQR gives us 2Z, and from that we can arrive at Z being P plus PQR by 2. This 2 is going down as the denominator. Same as at RHS, now I apply the same rule to the LHS. Now these two angles, angle P plus 2x will give 2y, and y will be nothing but P plus PQR by PRQ by 2. This part of the triangle with this external angle. So we have consolidated Z and Y to these two states. My equation 1 is the declaration of the angle sum property of the quadrilateral, and placing the value of Z and Y into this equation, I have W and X and Y and Z being replaced by these two big things, and the A and B are retained. I have this whole thing equals to 360. And once that done, you can see that there are two P's here, and therefore I have separated that, and PRQ is nothing but 2 W's and PQR is nothing but 2X value. As can be seen from the diagram, you know that PQR is 2 W's and PRQ is 2 X's, and that has been replaced here, and therefore all 2's have been taken common and they get nullified herein. And from all that clumsy material, we have this statement as follows. Again, we can see that there are 2 W's, 2 X's and A, P and B. So 2 W's, 2 X's and A, P and B. That is what has remained, and 360 degrees. And now again 2 W's are once again PQR and PRQ, and therefore once again value substitution and replacing them with is subject. We have this in place, and this part is equal to 180 because this is once again this triangle PQR, and therefore this is the angle sum property which can be replaced in this equation, and therefore 180 plus A plus B equals to 360, and A plus B is nothing but 180. Now that we have arrived at A and B, the sum of A and B angles as supplementary, therefore this is a cyclic quadrilateral, hence proved. AQBR is cyclic quadrilateral, hence proved.